How to change ticket flight date in Flydubai. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can rebook or change your ticket flight date on Flydubai. This is very simple. So all I have to do first is, of course, pull up their official site, which is going to be here. Now you should be able to see these options right here and then just simply choose on manage. Once you select manage, you will be asked to input the last name and as well as your booking reference. Your booking reference will be available on your itinerary ticket will look something like this. Now make sure that you are authorized to make any changes on the current flight ticket that you have. Input everything here, hit on confirm and view booking, and from there you should be able to change it. However, if you're having discrepancies on changing it, just choose on contact us from the lowest portion of this page. Select the specific city and then contact the specific number that will be generated on your screen. And that's it. That's how you change ticket flight date and fly Dubai.